English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling. Vowels. A and A. Step 1. This video is one of a series of videos in which I talk about the pronunciation and spelling of English sounds. Now, when we talk about sounds, we talk about phonemes. In this video, we're going to talk about two phonemes. The first one is A, as in hat and family, and the second one is A, as in car and father. Now, you can watch my other video in which I give an overview of all of these phonemes that you can find in the English language, and I talk about the spelling and the pronunciation. So make sure you watch that video. So now you can practice the pronunciation and spelling of these words with some listening, writing and spelling practice. So find something to write on and make a list of numbers. Now the numbers 1 to 10, you're going to listen to individual words and write them and think about the spelling. Numbers 11 to 15, you're going to write sentences and again thinking about the spelling. So now listen and write. Number 1, am. Am. Number 2, at. At. Number 3, camera. Camera. Number 4, pack. Pack. Number 5, jack. Jack. A shack is like a hut in a garden. Number 6, arm. Arm. 7, art. Art. 8, calmer. Calmer. Now this is the comparative form of calm. Calmer. 9, park. Park. 10, shark. Shark. All right, so those were the individual words. So now let's move on to the sentences. Number 11. The basketball match happened in March. The basketball match happened in March. Sentence 12. She parked the car and began to relax. She parked the car and began to relax. 13. He lit the candle with a match and felt calm. He lit the candle with a match and felt calm. 14. Her grandfather had a heart attack. Her grandfather had a heart attack. 15. It was an old family mansion with a hearth. It was an old family mansion with a hearth. All right, so those are the individual words and the sentences. You can stop the video, rewind, listen again to check and to think more about the sounds and the spelling. So that brings us to the end of this step 1 video on the sounds A and A. Now you can move on to the step 2 video to hear the answers to that practice exercise. This is one of a series of videos in which I talk about and give examples of the vowels and the sounds and the spellings in English. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.